Okay fellas, we have a small problem with the Makita impact driver, and as you can see I can even stop it with my finger and it's just not spinning. So what I can say, we need to open it, check it and find where is the problem. Okay, so this one is really working hard. Okay, and what can we see? We can see that the armature and the magnet are in one solid piece, so we can put this one away. And basically we need to try to find the problem here. In the hammer case. Okay. So let's just check. Can we take it like that, or okay. Okay, here we have the cover, and okay, we can check for the gear here. The gear looks good, healthy, not broken. Okay, I will take the small gears out, check, they are looking good. So okay, now we need to inspect these gears really good. This one looks good, this one looks good too, and this one looks good too. So where it can be the problem? What do you think? Okay, this one of course, so one solid piece. Yep. Okay. So let's check the housing. The housing looks perfectly fine. We can check how the pins goes here and they goes here. Okay. Getting back again to the motor. We have small wear and tear on the gears, but it don't look like it's something really bad. And of course this one is worn out, but it will still hammer. I think this one is stuck a little bit, so we can try to put it in a vise and spin it. Okay, let's just try to put the camera like that, so the LED light. Okay, and maybe I'll try to take this one and I'll just try to push it. Okay, what do you think? It hammers or not? Okay, now you can press it down. Okay. Now it moves, so it seems that this one was a little bit stuck. What can I say here? We can try to assemble it back, but I think it will be the problem that this one is worn out, and yeah, this one goes to the other side. Okay, so this one there goes. It presses the anvil. Okay. So what we will do now for the signs. For the signs, we can put the gears here back. Okay, I forgot to take the camera back again, sorry. So inserted the gears, inserting the washer. We'll put some grease. Have nice grease. We'll put it here, a little bit here. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, now I will insert a part here, greasing the washer a little bit, and now probably we need to insert this gear. The gear looks in place or not in place here. I bet it must be upside down. Of course I may be wrong, but have not watched it when we assembled it and not check it for the spare parts view. Okay. That's basically, it fits on both sides, but I think this one will not fit good. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, got it good. So now I can put the armature. I'm holding the anvil, yep, and I can feel the friction. So I will just clean my gloves a little bit and we will assemble it. And what I want to check now, if that's enough or not, to just get it back to work. And of course I believe that it will fail again after some time, so I will offer the customer to replace the hammer. Okay, and will not insert a warranty sticker because it will not go out of my shop now. This one looks not bad. Okay, lays down nice. Looks pretty nice here. Making sure that the wires will not be pressed to the housing. Okay, a little bit. Not getting as it should get. But let's try to just catch it. And okay. Maybe, just maybe, we have the difference on how this one is. Oh, we have the pin here, so yeah, and the pin here, so probably have not inserted it right. And what I don't like sometimes, how the armature goes into the hammer housings. Okay, need to answer the phone. Okay, was call from the customer that the MacBook, it's was one, I think, the line battery failed, and can I look at it? Yeah, of course I can look it. If I can repair it or not, I don't know, but I can look always. Okay. Okay, now vote, it will work or not. Okay, it started to spin. I can hold it with my fingers, that's a good sign. Okay, can't hold it with my hand, so putting it to the vise. Okay, so I think that's nice, and we can consider that it's working again. So I don't know, I will discuss with the customer about the hammer ring parts replacement, because this is not a really expensive model, so we will check it. And for now, that's all you see in everything for this tool now. Don't forget to press thumbs up, and waiting you in my next video. Bye.